Hello, it's Mr. Frasia, and now I'm going to walk you through the quiz corrections for the group quiz we did, that was about a week ago, which involved simple interest and compound interest. Now on your test, I will be giving you these two formulas, but you have to know the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is linear, compound interest is exponential, which means it's going to be a curve, and this one's going to be a line. Okay, so the t, or the variable's an exponent, so we know it's exponential. And then you're going to have to be able to write the problem. Now, where was the issue on the quiz? Well, some of you didn't use either one of those formulas. So hopefully you have those formulas written down somewhere, because I'm going to move this paper. So pause it real quick and write it down, and then you can see what we're talking about. So, for the first problem, it said you had $10,000 in interest, or excuse me, that you were depositing $10,000. Well, that's your initial amount. So you have the two problems. One of them is going to be $10,000 plus, and then you had to figure out what 10,000 times 4%. So we write a percentage as 0.04. And then times the years. So the years are what's going to change, but here's our basic expression, where the t is our variable. So most of you could make it an x, and we're okay with that because you did it with the software, so that's fine. But this is the expression. This is what was supposed to be for simple interest. Then, of course, you do the same type of thing for compound. When you do the math on this, you end up with 10,000 plus 400x. And there's your expression you're supposed to use. Then you plug in the numbers for x, and they give you the answers, and you put those there. Compound interest is done very similar. Times, okay, the initial amount, 1 plus the rate. So this one's 1.04, and then it's raised to the x power. So that's your second expression. Okay? And again, using your scientific calculator, you put in the right amount, put in the number, and it gives you the answer. And you do it for 0, 1, 2, 3, and 10. And then it says how much will you and your friend have for college funds when you turn 18, which means you should have two answers. One where you put 18 here, and one where you put 18 here. And you just have to identify which one is for you and which one is for your friend. Okay, so please make sure that when you do the test quiz corrections, you write out the original question on your own paper. Here's the original question. You show all of your math work. I've only shown you where to find the expression. You have to finish all the rest of the math work. You have to have the correct answers, and you have to tell me why you had the wrong answer. Okay? And make sure you have answers for all of the questions. You get a half a point back for every point you miss. Good luck.